Hello, today we are making the best lamb you've ever tasted. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. In my mixing bowl, I have 500 grams of lamb. 500 grams is about 1 pound. This is lean, no bone, beautiful lamb. Now we're gonna add a lot of things to the bowl. Cumin and green cardamom. That was 2 teaspoons and 5 cardamom. Salt and pepper to taste. 4 whole green chilies whole. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 2 teaspoons chili powder. I am using Kashmiri chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 cup of onions. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic. And 2 cups of plain yogurt. Now we'll give it a good mix. Cover, fridge, minimum 1 hour. Pan, no oil, we're gonna put the meat in. Below medium heat for 10 minutes, stir often. That was 10 minutes. Now we're gonna put it on a really low simmer for 10 more minutes. Half a cup of tomatoes and raisins. Half a cup of cashew nuts and coriander. Stay on a low heat, stir for 4 minutes, and job done. Hot, spicy, delicious. Lots of love.
Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.